I ain't been on YouTube in a long time as far as posting any videos or anything. So just want to talk to everybody today. Well, I talk, you listen, because you can respond in the chat. But other than that, okay, let me just say, why is it so hard to find people that would do and maintain your hair? Why, I can remember growing up, my mom used to own a shop and she was loyal to her customers. When they called for an appointment, she made a way to make sure they got an appointment on the day they needed or close to that day, or she just made a way. And if it was a different type of loyalty with professionals, especially hair professionals back then. But now, I don't think they want to make money. I don't, because honey, if you want to make money, you're gonna do what you can to get that money. Nah, it don't matter about how you feel. You gonna make money and do what you can to get it. Not these, I ain't gonna say young people. Not people today in the hair and beauty industry. Lord help me. So yeah, I have root locks, whatever you want to call them, y'all. I need to retire. And the loctician that did it, I can't get an appointment with them. I work Monday through Friday. Only days I'm off are Saturday and Sunday. It's difficult, and to find people that can do the retires or will do the retires. I'm in a small community. I'm from a small community. I live in a small community. The major city from where I live is both ways. It might be an hour drive, maybe an hour and a half. Everybody is so booked. That's what they say. They're so booked. But getting back to your customer, your loyal customer, I'm gonna make a way to make sure they are happy. That's just me. Everybody ain't like me, I know that, but I'm gonna keep my loyal customers very satisfied. That's how you keep your customers, and then that's how you keep your money flowing, right? Anyway, so that's what I want the car chat about today. Cause I'm sitting here alone, her mercy. She told me to keep it up like this for a month. Yeah, I don't typically wear my hair tight to my head like this. Cause me ain't got a big head. It's mine. I love it. Bunch of wisdom up in there. There's so many different knowledge. I mean, just so much knowledge, wisdom, clapbacks. All of that's up in there. The word up in there. All kind of things are up in his head. So, yeah, it's big, but it's mine. I love it, but I don't love that I can't get this retire done. You feel me? What I'm gonna do, Lord? I'm gonna just take it down, and I'm like, should I just take out these stocks? No, too much money has already been invested. I don't want to lose on that. So, trying to find a lock specialist, trying to find somebody, a loctician, what you want to call it, somebody to do my hair. And it's so hard these days. These people do not want to make the money. They do not want to be loyal to their customers. Customer. They don't want to be loyal. So, anyway, that's what I was crying about today. Ooh, look at this right here. So about a month ago, I had a blister on my lip, y'all. I've never had a blister like that before in my life. But this is what it did. It left this mark. I'm going to put some lip gloss on it again. But anywho, I guess what they call them, battle scars. There's a battle scar from a blister. Dang, blister, you put it on me. Anyway, y'all have a good Tuesday. Let it flow, let it go. Talk to you later.